Looks so good, bro. Look how shiny it is in the sunlight. It's literally blinding me, bro. I can't even look at it. But they look sick. What do you guys think? Red caps or chrome caps? I think red. What's up, guys? You're watching another video. As you guys seen, we got the tires mounted on the new wheels. Finally, I've had those wheels in the garage for maybe like 4 months, bro. Maybe even longer. But we're finally gonna throw them on, take off these freaking 19s that Hugo needs to sell. What are you doing, Hugo? Fine. Guys, who wants these wheels? They're for sale. What are they called? ZZPs, I think? I don't know. The OEM M looking, the M3 wheels with brand new tires, pretty much. But yeah, guys, we're gonna throw on the new Concept wheels. I'm excited. I want to see how it's gonna look. I think it's gonna look freaking sick. It's gonna look so different, bro. Those wheels, I did not realize how shiny they are until we see them in the sun. Yeah. All right, let's do it.
Look at this dude.
Bro, I fucked my back up, dude.
There's no way, Nick. Crouch all the way down, bro. This shit looks crazy, bro.
Look at that.
Oh my god.
It's literally like a paper in there. That's how the GTR fit, too.
Yeah, guys, this thing looks insane. So, yeah, we just need to put the red caps on, too. But god damn.
Damn, this shit's white, bro. This is now, what color wrap do we do?
Any color would honestly go with it, to be honest.
It looks good red, but I want to change up the wrap. Or Nardo gray, or... Guys, our gun died. The screw gun.
Screw gun? Impact gun.
Impact gun. It died, so we're waiting for a charged battery. I'm gonna do it by hand.
We're gonna finish by the time the charged battery gets here.
Anyways, look how sick this shit looks, guys. That thing looks crazy. I want to see it on the ground. And we need to slam the E46 again. Look at this, guys. Sheesh. Bro, it looks so ugly because the car is so lifted, bro. We also got to put the red cap on, but I forgot I'm at the homie's tire shop. So we got to go get the red caps right now. But yeah, this car needs to get lowered a lot. We raised it way too much. It still looks sick. These wheels are so shiny. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, it looks badass. I'm telling you, I just need to freaking lower it. And this car will look so much better. But it looks like a freaking Formula Drift car, dude.
Turn your wheel.
Alright guys, we're done. Finally, we got some new wheels on the E46. And we finally mounted these wheels that I've had for so long just sitting there. And they look freaking sick. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Do you guys like these better? Or those better? I'm not gonna lie, I'm really used to those. So this is kind of new to me. But I still like them. It's a different look.
I think the caps just made it pop.
Yeah, the red caps look way better now. I'm telling you, all we need is a hood, a front bumper, and slam the fuck out of the car because it's way too lifted. It's on coilovers too, so we can adjust them anytime we want. Hey, once we lower it and put the front bumper on and the hood, it's gonna look like a freaking street car. Let's see if it starts. I knew it, bro. God damn. Bro, there's no way. That's what we gotta do. Sheesh. Finally, it's alive. It's alive. But I don't know if I filmed it, but Jordan almost killed himself, bro. There's no way, Jordan. What happened? He almost killed himself. Bro, I don't know if I filmed it, but I saw the spark. Hopefully I don't get a ticket today, parking in a handicap, but there's no parking. This place is packed. Oh my god, that shit is beautiful. Sheesh. Damn, a Viper, Porsche, NSX too. Damn, that's a crazy wide body kit. That shit's really right hand drive. That shit's clean. I like them. I like it too. Like most of the new cars coming out look like ugly, you know? Yeah. This one actually doesn't look bad. Alright guys, we just made it to this little car meet. Super last minute that we found. It's at the Gretty place. GTR here. Oh yeah, that's my favorite GTR. Both those cars were at SEMA. Oh, I love this car so much. This is probably one of my favorite cars at SEMA. All carbon fiber R32. Sheesh. It's so nice. Look at this casual R34 chilling over here. This color is so sick. Oh my god, it's so clean. Look how clean that shit is. But you can literally lick the engine. Look at the hood, it's all carbon. Yeah, this car is crazy. The headlights look. Dude, this car looks brand new. Oh my god, that shit's so sick. There's so many JDM cars here, guys. Look at an R32. Oh, shit, this might be Mickey's. What do you guys think about this car? Do you guys like it? I think TJ100 bought one too, but I like them actually. They're sick. Supras. But there's so many cars. Oh my god. Damn, that Supra's beautiful, bro. They're so nice. I love this wing. Another Supra, Mark V, with the crazy wide body kit. A raised boost? Which one's he taking, Jordan? These? I like the white ones, not gonna lie. Nismo GTR just chilling over here. Look, another one. That one's clean too, just has wheels on it. Oh my god. That shit is crazy. That shit's hard too. This is pretty clean. You got a borrowed wheel? I still want to buy a Z, guys. I actually gotta find one for sale, but Conce wheels. Yeah, that shit's sick. It's like bright red too. There's a lot of JDM cars, guys, everywhere. Another Z. Look at this thing, guys. When he goes in reverse, it makes like a Japanese sound. That's crazy. Hella JDM. The Japanese flags up front. Truck is on the floor, dude. Like, I'm not even joking. That is so crazy. Dude, he's literally on the floor. Oh, that shit is pretty sick. This Evo's super clean. That color is nice, but that red, damn, that shit's sick. And then a pink one, blue one. Bro, all these Evos are pretty sick, bro. Look at that kit on it. God damn. Guys, look at this Tesla. He has like a speaker, so it sounds like a car. Look, guys, found another E92. This one's actually super clean. I like the color for some reason, and the wheel setup. This shit looks sick. God damn, guys, here's this vet. They're so mean. God damn, everyone's looking at it. Alright guys, we just teleported to another car meet now. And look, we just parked right here with all the GTRs. The little bug. All the GTRs are lined up right here. We got a nice 2017, 2018, 2019. I don't know what year, but one of the newer generations. I love how aggressive the front end is. Then we got a red one. Mine, my black one, the slow one. Full carbon fiber GTR. Wide body and everything. This one's insane. This one's freaking sick too. I think that's the Pandem kit, wide body kit. Damn, that shit is on the floor, bro. That one's sick too. This is one of the homies. I think they're both Pandem kits. Looks so sick with the wing and the Christmas tree. What do you guys think? Should we put a Christmas tree on my GTR? I did it on the E36 a long time ago, but I'm scared to scratch my roof. Maybe I'll do it. Put like a big old blanket like this. Look how clean this R8 is. It's like the newer one, but that color is hard. I want one, bro.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.